In this video, you will learn how to change your theme on Microsoft Edge browser and even turn on dark mode and light mode on the browser as well. Simple and easy. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So to do that, let's move to the three bars here, top right corner of our screen. You can see the arrow, tap on that here, and we move to our settings. That's the most simple way to do that. And now let's move to this section, which is appearance. Good. And now let's try to change the theme first, the appearance. So now let's change it to dark. Switch back to light. Good. And now the theme, let's try to change the color theme. We can make it dark. You can see there. And this color, I don't know the name of the color, and this. And we can even add an image theme too as well if we want to. Now let's select this here. Good. And that's it on how you change your theme and also your appearance. That's your dark and light mode on Microsoft Edge browser. Simple and easy. So if you are new here, you give me a like. Subscribe to the channel. You see it takes effect. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.